Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Buick Enclave Leather Group all-wheel drive, stock number Z7030A. 65,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report, champagne silver metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty, and a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Won't slide easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. With additional underfloor storage. This Enclave has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, this leather group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. And that's also where you set the collision alert. Wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora and Stitcher radio apps, and those of course with the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the sliding armrest with even more space below. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6 liter V6, 288 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Enclave, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.